Hello, ladies and gentlemen. This is Gitanjali Rathore, Soft Skills and Communications Trainer at Inspiria Knowledge Campus. I hope all of you are happy, healthy, and safe. My intention today is to bring forth 3 essential soft skills that have made its place and will be sought for right after the pandemic gets over. For those who are looking for a job and seeking answers to these pertinent questions, what are the soft skills that is required to develop and to amplify to stay relevant in this new emerging era? What is the skills that we need to demonstrate to position ourselves as the best fit candidate for the positions that we apply for? In these times of uncertainties, if you are unsure of the kinds of soft skills or skills that is required for your future workforce, then please make sure that you definitely consider these 3 essential soft skills that I'm about to mention. We have seen and witnessed rapid changes that have taken place and have put ourselves in situations where resilience and adaptability has come forth. These 2 skills have made its way through. So whenever you get through your next job or maybe your first job, you will realize and also notice that these companies may ask you and will be looking for somebody who have and can demonstrate a resilient disposition and the skills to adapt as quickly as possible. So in a case where the companies happen to ask you questions such as these, when they want to know how useful have you made yourself in these times, perhaps the best way to answer would be to let them know that besides focusing on your career goals, besides focusing on your professional goals, you have also made that little bit of investment on your self-development. It is best to mention for you that you have also been taking up and practicing some form of meditation or yoga or some sort of exercises to keep yourself healthy. What ultimately leads to is your emotional regulation, and also it helps promote mental resilience. We have seen and witnessed rapid changes that have taken place and placed ourselves in a situation where resilience and adaptability has made its way through. So when you get that next job or your first job, you will notice and observe that companies will be looking forward to skills in somebody or in everybody where they can demonstrate a resilient disposition and an ability to adapt as quickly as possible. Therefore, in situation where the companies happen to ask you how useful did you make yourself during these times, perhaps the best way to answer would be to let them know that besides focusing and developing yourself and professional skills by taking up different online courses, you have also invested a good amount of time in your personal development. You have taken some form of yoga or practice meditation. What ultimately leads through these is that it helps you promote your mental resilience and helps you regulate your emotions well. Understanding human emotions, understanding human nature has become crucial than ever. It is a skill that is essential, that is needed for both personal and professional life. It is your ability to discern, to assess, and to be able to respond to others' emotion while recognizing one's emotion. So therefore, if at all you want to stay relevant, if at all you want to make your place in this ever-changing world, please make sure that you learn empathy. Please make sure that you learn to be self-aware. And this is emotional intelligence. I believe this is the best time to retool your skills and to upgrade it. Through my experience, I have realized that time management is the key. There are often times in this busy schedule, we tend to miss out on the high priority work, and therefore it only becomes pertinent for us that we pen down every detail that is required to work upon. What happens is it helps you balance your time well. It helps you maintain your time well. and therefore make you efficient and effective in the work or the task that you take up. And so, ladies and gentlemen, I believe that you will definitely take some time out to consider these 3 essential soft skills and build it for yourself. Wish you all the best. In case if you have any comments or concerns or queries, please do leave it behind and we will get back to you. Thank you.